So here's my PC that I built. Now it's about 6 years old, so it's definitely not top of the line, but it was decent when I built it. It has an 8-core AMD processor, 32 gigs of DDR3 RAM, which I know is a little dated now. Go down here and you see there's my Asus GTX 1060, which is a decent card, and that's where I would put my power supply if I had one. When I upgraded my graphics card, I decided I needed a new power supply. So I bought this one from Rosewill. Actually, not this one, a different one that died on me a couple months after the warranty, but they honored it for me, which was very nice of them. And they sent me this one in return. The problem with this one is that, see, these pins here are a little more melted than they should be. Luckily, it passed QC. And along with those pins, the connector that was plugged into it when I received it was looking a little rough. Not only is it burnt, it's actually pretty corroded. So that says to me that this has been sitting a while. So I bet somebody sent this back, they cleaned it up, and just totally ignored the major burning of the pins and wires. That's pretty dark, way back there. So, Rosewell, you treated me well for a few years, but you let me down here.